Welcome to TechLeapR channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable automatically backup option on Google Photos in your Windows laptop or PC. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Chrome browser. After that, just click on this menu icon and open up your photos. After open the photos, just click on this plus icon at the top right corner. Then click on folder backup option. Then click on add a folder and then click on add folder option. Then choose any folder that you want to backup. So if I select the folder and then click on select folder option, then click on allow. Now if I close the window, and you can see backup option has been enabled successfully. You can see it's backing up my 36 photos from this folder. Now if I click on this plus icon again and then click on folder backup, you can see there are already a folder. It cannot backup cause it's need update permission. So just click here, then click on allow, and it's done. And you can see backup has been finished successfully. And that is how you can enable automatically backup option on Google Photos in your Windows laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.